Hello everyone, my name is Julien Marceaux, and I'm the Director of Immersive Learning and Content Creation at OVA. Today I'm excited to share how integrating RapidPipeline into our workflow is opening new possibilities for users of our platform. OVA is a Canadian company dedicated to modernizing training through the power of extended reality and artificial intelligence. In 2014, we created StellarX, a no-code platform that makes it easy to build and adapt virtual or mixed reality experiences. Whether you're designing a training simulation or a prototype, StellarX empowers users to create immersive content without needing any programming skills. Our goal is to make VR creation more accessible, more intuitive, and ultimately more effective for a wide range of industries. Our solution is cross-platform, so you can use it on a PC or a VR headset. Over the last decade, StellarX has evolved significantly and now is a highly versatile platform. So, since a picture worth a thousand words, I will let the next video give you a quick overview of what StellarX is all about.
Tell me about StellarX.
StellarX is a platform by OVA that uses spatial computing and AI to create immersive environments.
Show me an example using shower particles.
Our activity spans several key sectors. While many of our clients come from aviation and aerospace, we also support organizations in defense, public safety, industry, and energy. We are proud to work with world-class partners like Lockheed Martin, Airbus, BAE Systems, Royal Canadian Air Force, the Navy, the RCMP, Hydro-Quebec, and also ArcelorMittal, who is one of our key industrial collaborators. Together, we build VR and mixed reality simulations focused on training and skill development, allowing technicians, engineers, and soldiers to safely practice critical tasks in complex or high-risk environments. The results? Better performance, lower training costs, and also reduced operational risks. One of the key advantages of StellarX is that it's a no-code platform, making it accessible to clients who want to build or modify their own VR simulations. And that's exactly where RapidPipeline comes in. Let me explain. Clients often come to us with great simulations ideas and their own 3D models. Importing assets into StellarX is pretty simple. You upload them via a web portal and then you drag and drop them into your space. But for best performance, we require GLB or GLTF formats. The issue is that many clients work with FBX, OBJ, or CAT files and lack the tool or expertise to convert and optimize them. That can slow things down and force them to rely on us, which creates delays and limits their autonomy. We realized early on that just like StellarX simplifies VR creation, we needed a way to simplify asset preparation too. And that's where Pipeline closes the loop. With just a few presets and a quick onboarding, clients can convert and optimize their 3D assets themselves into GLB files ready for StellarX. And as standalone VR grows, performance becomes the key, and RapidPipeline also helps reduce the file sizes significantly while preserving the quality, making it ideal for lightweight, high-performance experiences. So the result is that with minimal support, the clients can manage everything themselves, removing friction, saving time, and bringing us closer to our goal, making immersive content creation truly accessible. Over time, we realize clients who benefit most from this approach are in education and training. We talk about universities, vocational centers, and VR labs in R&D departments. These are hands-on creators, building simulations for learning, prototyping, or skills development. And what they all want is autonomy. With StellarX and RapidPipeline, they gain just that, the ability to create, adapt, and deploy immersive content without depending on external development teams. By using tailored presets, RapidPipeline makes it easy to convert and optimize CAD or 3D assets, streamlining their workflow, increasing their chance of success with StellarX, both in terms of content creation and performance. And the impact is simple. It makes things easier and faster. Here are two quick examples that speak for themselves. At Collège Ansic in Montreal, it took just 3 days to convert an entire science lab originally provided as an OBJ asset package into optimized GLB files ready for use in StellarX. At Laval University, they managed to convert and optimize 3 different 3D objects for their VR experience in a single day. And one thing to precise here is that all these users were first-time user for StellarX and also for RapidPipeline. They are not 3D designer. So with RapidPipeline, what used to be a technical bottleneck for our users becomes a streamlined, accessible step in the creative process. So as you've seen, tools like RapidPipeline remove technical barriers, helping teams move faster and become more autonomous. But when we take a step back, the impact goes far beyond asset preparation. Let's look at how VR training with StellarX is transforming real-world learning outcomes. So, for example, the Royal Canadian Air Force reduced a full-day training course to a 1-hour VR module, cutting time while keeping quality. At ArcelorMittal, employees doubled their ability to apply emergency procedures, thanks to immersive, repeatable training in VR. And in the Canadian Forces, VR-based orientation boosted recruits' focus and motivation compared to traditional methods. So StellarX isn't just a creation tool; it's helping to reshape how training is delivered, experienced, and also retained. So that's the reason why at OVA we are continuously improving StellarX, combining innovation and heart to make VR creation not only more intuitive, but also more enjoyable and more accessible for everyone. Whether you're building a complex training simulation or exploring new ideas in immersive learning, StellarX gives you the power to bring your vision to life, no code required. So if you're ready to create, explore, and innovate in VR, try it today. We'd love to see what you build. So thank you all for your attention. I hope this gave you a clearer picture of how StellarX, especially when paired with RapidPipeline, can empower teams to create immersive, high-impact VR training experiences. A big thank you to the RapidPipeline team for this great collaboration and for inviting us to be a part of today's event. It's truly appreciated. If you'd like to continue the conversation or have any questions, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the slide, and I'd be more happy to connect. Wishing you all a great event ahead, and thank you again.